AHA turbo pumping station is the smartest and most powerful vacuum pumping station on the market. This turbo pumping station is composed of 5 main components, including one turbo pump. You can choose Angelin V84 or V304 model. You can also use Edward EXT85H or EXT300. The other component is the dry screw pump, the primary pump. You can choose either Angelin screw pump or Edward screw pump. The other component is the cooling fans. It is responsible for cool down the turbo pump. And another component is the pressure sensor. It is responsible for measuring the pressure of the flow line to decide to auto on or auto off the turbo pump. Last but not least, the most powerful controller units on the market. It not only can drive and control the turbo pump, it can also drive and display the pressure data from the vacuum gauges. And there are 14 types of vacuum gauges on the market which are compatible with this controller. And like for this demo, we use GP275 and Angelin FRG700 full-range co-cathode gauges and Inficon BPG full-range vacuum gauges. On the main page, the first thing you can see is the test port pressure data measured by 3 vacuum gauges, and it can show 4 channels at the same time. Channel 1 is measured by Inficon BPG full-range gauge, and channel 2 is measured by Angelin FRG700. Channel 3 is measured by GP275, and since the vacuum level right now is exceeding its capacity, so it displays under RA, which means under range. The next thing you can see is the information of the turbo pump, including the bearing temperature and the power consumption. And if there's nothing went wrong, it will display no more. And if something went wrong, it will display fail. And you can go to another page for the error code. And it will indicate red light before the error reason. Then you can go to the next page for turbo pump setting. You can set up the power limit or temperature limit or pump operation. You can set it on auto mode, which is protection mode, or manual mode. And you can also set up the pump control to remote or serial. Press turbo on the screen for more info and functions of the turbo pump. The information about current. The information about power consumption. The green light means normal. Yellow light indicate you need to be careful. The red light indicate a warning sign. And next is the driving frequency right now. And next is the bearing temperature. AHA controller can set the Angelin turbo pump to any rotation speed as needed, to 6,000 RPM to 81,000 RPM. Press here, a keyboard will pop up and you can set up a new rotational speed you want and press confirm. The turbo pump will start speed up. Press menu for language selection. There are more language options upon request. And press menu for pressure unit selection. You can choose torr, ambar, and Pascal. As for the relay function, we offer 4 relay setup to external trigger the control point. Press here. The pressure versus time chart will show up. And the pressure and turbo pump data can be recorded and exported in Excel format on a USB memory stick. For more information, please contact us, Advanced HVAC Application Company.